Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Valiant secures #3 spot on Apple Music's chart. The EP A Gift From Me to You has topped Apple Music's top reggae albums chart, following projects from Bob Marley and Massacre. It has also hit YouTube with the 11th most trending video, Bubblegum. The lead single, Polygamy, has accumulated 500,000 streams and is currently 29th most trending on the platform. This marks Valiant's third consecutive year of success in the music industry. As the 40th anniversary draws near for the epic one night of reggae and dancehall's greatest show, Tina B, Coyote and the Nikon are charged and ready to rock the crowd at Jam World. Earlier this week, the trio dominated the stage at the annual RJ Gleaner staff party, setting the mood for the big night come December 26. Speaking exclusively with E-Prime, Tina B and the Nikon, who are slated to make their debut performance at Sting, shares their excitement.
I'm excited. I grew up, I watched Sting. It's a dream to actually be able to perform on Sting, and you know, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. Listen, expect nothing but good vibes and good energy and good songs, not more than that.
Well, you don't know, I want all of the fans them come out, you don't know. Cause fire over Jamaica, you don't know the whole Portmore, you know the thing. So we just use the music and try to open some door. We expect some doors to open, man. We expect some ears to start tuning into music, you don't know, because we are singing some good music.
While Coyote shares that it will be a lyrical showdown at Jam World when he goes up against Fully Bad for the King of the Ring title.
Expect the unexpected from Coyote, you see it. Just expect an energetic, you see it, a electric, a fire performance from the mob, you see it. The fans them request some clash, request some niceness, you see it, and every man laid back on. So me just be the hero. I give them a forward said you while I beat them and school them, you see it.
Meanwhile, public relations manager for Sting, Lisa B, speaks on the impact of Sting in the Caribbean.
Sting has managed to provide something that is never provided anywhere else at any other stage show in Jamaica or even in the Caribbean. As a matter of fact, within the hemisphere of the Caribbean. And because of that, Sting, and I will say this over and over, I will sound like a scratch record, Sting is known for giving the artist in Jamaica the global platform that they have now taken over. And you notice dancehall music is still a favorite, especially over there in the UK. In Japan, it is well loved. Germany. I don't even think we understand the impact of dancehall and reggae globally.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas!